Grabe! Bakit si General Torre ang hinihalal na PNP chief? Kasi guys, alam nyo, nobody, no one has ever worked hard to earn this appointment, guys. Kaya deserve niya ito. Kayo naman, guys, grabe. Deserve niya ito, guys. Kasi 'di ba? Grabe, alam mo yung grabe talaga siya kung anong inutos sa kanya talagang gagawin talaga niya. Kaya deserve. Kaya ito, guys, panoorin natin yung sagot ni Bersamin kung bakit si General Tolly talaga yung inihalal na PNP chief.
Secretary, good afternoon. Maaari bang humingi kami ng detalye bakit po si General Torre na 2-star general ang napili ng Pangulo bilang susunod na hepe ng PNP?
2-star lang pala si General Torre. Tapos yung mga, alam mo yung mga kalaban niya sa promotion, grabe yung mga achievements. Tapos siya 2-star lang. Nako.
Wala akong may bigay na detalye dyan. Ano? You know, the appointment of elements of the officers of the PNP, there has to be kept confidential. Okay? We should respect that confidentiality, but it's the President's discretion, which I consider to be absolute because he is actually the, well, you cannot consider that commander-in-chief kasi civilian yan, no? Pero more or less, ganun. No one can question the use of that discretion, call it inscrutable. But right now, the considerations that weighed in the choice of General Torre should be respected.
Kasi he oversaw many high-profile operations, including yung kay Pastor Kibuloy and then recently yung kay yung pag-aresto kay former President Duterte. May kinalaman po kaya yung naging handling niya yung mga ganong operations sa naging choice ng Pangulo?
Hindi ko masasabi yan. Dahil alam mo, si Presidente always demands performance. Kahit na ano yung pinagawa sa'yo, you must have...
Joker to si Bersamin, Joker. Talagang hindi mo alam?
You must exhibit some high degree level of performance.
Wow!
So maybe that is one. I'm not going to discount that. But there may be other qualities of General Torre that you might have considered in comparison to the qualities of those others who were not given this responsibility.
Salamat po.
Grabe, wow ha. Incomparable daw yung mga qualities niya doon sa mga, alam mo, hindi napili. Grabe. Palakpakan for you. Salute kami sa'yo, General Torre. Grabe, galing-galing mo talaga. Grabe guys. Grabe no, laking sampal nun sa yung mga hindi napili. 2-star lang, naging PNP chief. Wow ha. Kaya guys, anong masasabi nyo tungkol dito? Grabe guys, alam nyo, may balita nga pala ako sa inyo. Eto guys, eto, di ba? Si Laila de Lima daw in the leadership capabilities of newly appointed Philippine National Police Chief Police General Nicholas Torre III. Grabe. Grabe guys, full confidence. Wow, same feathers flock together talaga, no? Wow na wow talaga, di ba? Masayang-masaya si De Lima, tingnan mo. Ito pa guys, as in, grabe to. Saying that his record speaks for itself. House Speaker Martin Romualdez said Thursday afternoon. No? Grabe. Record speaks for itself daw. May nabalitaan pa naman ako bad record to si Torre sa lugar niya. Tapos record speaks for itself daw, sabi ni Martin Romualdez. Natawa talaga ako dito, guys. As in, kung isi-search nyo, nakalimutan ko saan ko yung nakita eh. Hindi ko yun na-post dito eh. Oo, bad record daw si Tory sa lugar nila. Ewan ko lang kung totoo ba yun. Kaya nga hindi ko na lang binidyo yun kasi baka fake news, o, diba? Pero grabe, guys. Galing-galing mo talaga, Tory, So, guys, anong masasabi nyo? Ano na kayang let's pray for the Philippines talaga, guys. Don't forget to include Philippines in your prayer every morning and every night. God bless the Philippines. God save the Philippines.